how to change a new message sound on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change a new message sound on Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on your profile and scroll down, and now click on notifications and sounds. Click on customize notifications and you have sounds and new message. Click on it, and now they give you a ringtone and you choose one of them. Now all you need to do is choose one of them, notifications for example, and choose one. And you choose whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.